Good afternoon, my dear student. Today our topic is special products and expansion. In this chapter, already you will see so many of the exercise 3A, 3B, so everything is same. So in this 3C, some other formulas will be taken for the 3C. So compute the following using the expansion. The expansion formulas are given. So you will compute means you find the answer to expand the expansion. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So first one 54 whole square. The 54 is written as 50 plus 4 the whole square because you know the formula. So in the model of formula, the 54 will written as 50 plus 4. It's look like a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let us consider a is equal to 50, b is equal to 4. So a square means 50 the whole square plus 2 into 50 into 4 plus 4 square. So 50 the whole square means 2500 plus 2 into 50 100, 100 into 4 400 plus 4 4s are 16. So you will add all this 2500 plus 400 plus 16, you get 2916. The same model 998 whole square is equal to, it's 1000 minus 2 the whole square. It's look like a minus b the whole square. So you take the formula. So let us consider a is equal to 1000, b is equal to 2. So a is considered as 1000 whole square minus 2 into 1000 into 2 plus 2 the whole square. So 1000 square will be 10 lakh minus 2 into 1000 2000, 2000 into 2 4000 plus 2 square is 4. So 10 lakh is subtracted 4000, it gives 9,96,000, and added to the 4 you get 9,96,004 is the answer. Same in the decimal number, 10.8 the whole square is equal to 10 plus 0.8 the whole square. So it's like a plus b the whole square. So let us consider a is equal to 10, b is equal to 0.8. So 10 the whole square is equal to 100 plus 2 into 10 20, 20 into 8. It is the 160 will came. So one decimal means the decimal 0 will be cancelled. So 16 only the answer, plus 0.8 the whole square is equal to 0.64 because 8 square is 64. 2 decimal you take, so 0.64 is the answer. So 100 plus 16, 116 plus 0.64, 116.64. The same method, 9.7 the whole square is nothing but 10 minus 0.3 because you have the whole number subtraction and addition means easily you find the answer. So 10 minus 0.3, it's a 9.7. So it is like a minus b the whole square. Let us consider a is equal to 10, b is equal to 0.3. So 10 whole square minus 2 into 10 into 0.3 plus 0.3 the whole square. So 10 square is the 100 minus 2 into 10 20, 20 into 3 0.3 means you get 60. But you have one decimal, so 0 will be cancelled, only 6 will came, plus 0.09 because 3 3s are 9, but you have 2 decimals, so 0.09. Now 100 minus 6 you get 94, and then you add it to the 0.09, you get 94.09 is the answer. So this exercise, the last sum you copied on this 4 sum, the remaining sum you take it as a homework, children. The next one, some corollaries. Corollaries means the formula is that the formula will construct the many more formula. That one is called corollaries. The corollaries, already you know the a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square and a square minus b square. So these three formula you know, and this formula built to this remaining formulas. So a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Suppose the same for a square plus b square, it will be the given of a minus b means a minus b the whole square, this minus is termed to plus 2ab. The same for 2ab formula. So 2ab is equal to, one is addition and one is subtraction. So 2ab is equal to a plus b the whole square minus a square plus b square. The same 2ab is equal to a square plus b square minus a minus b the whole square. The next one, a plus b the whole square is equal to a minus b the whole square plus 4ab. A minus b the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. Next one, ab is equal to 1 by 4 of a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. Suppose a square plus b square is equal to half into the given is a plus b, a minus b means using this formula. So a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. So these are the important corollaries. Everyone copy down this and learn this. So using this corollary to find the answer. Fourth sum, if a plus b is equal to 6 and ab is equal to 8, evaluate a square plus b square and a minus b. First of all, a square plus b square, the given is a plus b and ab. So given you take, you find also. So you're using the formula a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So substitute this given 6 square minus 2 into 8. 6 square is 36, 8 2s are 16. So 36 minus 16 you get 20 is the answer. And also find the a minus b. That means using the formula of a square plus b square having the a minus b term. So that formula you will take. Substitute everything. Already you know the a square plus b square. Now only you find the answer 20. So using that 20 is equal to a minus b the whole square plus 2 into 8. 8 2s are 16. So 16 goes that side. So 20 minus 16. So a minus b the whole square is equal to 20 minus 16. You get 4. But you want only a minus b. The square will be goes that side. It's a square root. So square root of 4 is nothing but plus or minus 2. So same model, you have the fifth sum, you take it as a homework. So using the formula to find the answer. The next one, sixth A sum, if p square plus q square is equal to 252 and p plus q is equal to 16, evaluate pq. So p square q square is given, p plus q is given, you find the pq means using the formula a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab, because a square b square is there, a plus b is also there, ab is also there. So using this formula, so 252 is equal to 16 the whole square minus, you don't know the pq, so 2pq same. So 252 is equal to 16 the whole square is 256 minus 2pq. This 256 comes this side, but 2pq is having the minus. So you take 2pq is this side. 252 goes that side means it will be minus. So 256 minus 252. 2pq is equal to 256 minus 252. Answer is 4. So you want only the pq value. So pq is equal to 2 comes this side. So denominator having. So 4 by 2. 2 table 4 2 times. So answer is 2. Yeah, same A sum I will finish. So B sum you take it as a homework. So seventh one, find the value of AB when A plus B is equal to 10 and A minus B is equal to 6. So A plus B, A minus B both will be given. You find AB. So A plus B the whole square is equal to A minus B the whole square plus 4AB. So 10 the whole square is equal to 6 square plus 4AB. 10 square is 100, 6 square is 36 plus 4AB. You want the AB only. So 36 come this side. 100 minus 36 is 64. 4AB. So you want only the AB. So 4 comes this side. So AB is equal to 64 by 4. So AB is equal to 4 table 64 cancelled in 16 time. So AB is equal to 16. So this is today class children. Everyone copy down this every sum. So some sums are homework. So model, same model means you do the sum homework. So thank you children to watching the video. Copy down this everything. Sit and do every homework sum. Homework sum is must. So thank you children.